Hello friend, welcome back. In your previous video, I already discussed about that things with you, how can display your all that category post on particular that area. So that is our national category. So I inserted some of the demo posts from our backend, and now you can see that is actually the national category post is now visible on particular that position. So that is our golf category post. So that is our cricket category post, and that is our football category post, and that is our mobile category post. So it's perfectly now visible on particular that area, and also here I just defined that for some of the limitation, like as a 5 post will be visible. So right now there is actually 5 posts, and also I added some of the link on here, that is the URL, that is a more news. So if you put your cursor here, you can see it's now showing as a category and the three. So if you click on to particular that position, it will be redirected to our category listing page. So I will discuss that things later. So right now I want to show you, like if you go to the top, like here you can see in our template they have some of the design, like there is should be showing as a category. So right now there is actually static, one of the text is now visible on here. So it should be that national category will be visible on here, and then there is actually golf category. So they have some of the design. So if you want to do that work, how can do it? For doing this, first of all, it's pretty much simple. You have to go your home blade, and in our home blade here you can see I just started our for each from here. Okay, so for doing this, I just want to do, I just cart it, I just cart that for each from to this position, and after that 8, and there is actually category section mobile. So after that you actually started it. So for now I'm actually started that for each from here. So they have the two for each, one of the category for each and another is for the post, and then I just put some of the condition. I already discussed about that things with you, and here you can see there is actually the static data. So right now I want to do, I want to show our category name. So before I display our category, so that is our category with the name. So for now I just added as a category and the name, because here I already added the for each, and with this define that as our category post as a category. But now with this category I just define our category name on particular that position, and also I just define some of the link for the more. Okay, like that is actually read more. Here I just define some of the URL. So now I want to copy that URL. So here it is, that is a more news. So for now I just copy it. Okay, I just copy it, and now in our, that means this area, that is the category name. So right now we don't need that self target, so I just defined, I just remove it. Okay, and in particular that area I just put that href. So I just paste that href on particular that position. So now what will be happen? So now if you click on the save all, and now it's become dynamic. Okay, now it's become dynamic. Like if you refresh that page, yes, now you can see that is actually the national category, and now our design is now become dynamic. So now you can see first of all it's showing as a national category news, and then there is actually the golf category. So there is actually golf category, and also here I just put some of the link as a category 6 ID. So it should be redirected to our category listing page. And also it's perfect. There is a cricket category started from here. There is a football category. So all that football category news, and there is a mobile category and all that mobile category news. So it's now actually looking perfect for our online news portal, and now all that categorized news you can display that things like that way. And also here I define one of the link as a golf, so it should be redirected to our category listing page, and also I define that things on here. So I hope you can well understand about it, how much easily you can do it. So you have to do, you have to actually start your for each and if condition from here after the category section mobile. And now before that was actually static data. So here I just now define that as a dynamic, and here it should be displayed that category name. Okay. And also I just put that link, it will be redirected to the category and the category ID. So I hope you can well understand about it. So that's all I want to actually share with you right now. So in our next video I will work in our listing page. Okay, so if you click on here, then it should be redirected to our listing page, and I already created one of the listing page as I told you. So if you go to that listing, so that's our listing page design. Okay, so right now that's all the static data. So I want to do, I want to get all the data from our category and categorize. I just want to visible all that category news on particular that position with the same layout. So how can do that work? In our next video I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.